Hi guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to another video. I don't know if I'm even supposed to say welcome back to another video because it has been quite a while ever since I posted a video. I think it's close to 2 months, and I'm not going to try and explain the reason as to why I decided to take that break. I don't even think if it was a break. It was like a pause. I was like, Phoebe, just pause and think. You know, I think that is what I did. And by the way, how are you? I hope you started off your year well. So did I. It started off well, and I'm so grateful. And you guys are so amazing and so awesome because I remember so many of you kept asking me, like, what happened? Why are you not posting? Are you okay? Is everything okay? You guys are so amazing, and I was so touched by your messages. Thank you so much, and may you continue with the same spirit and heart. So guys, for today's video, what I really intend to do is to deep clean the kitchen because that kitchen is seriously, it is dirty. I'm going to use that term for lack of a better word because what I usually do, just do the dishes and just wipe the surfaces, the normal cleaning. But it has taken me quite a while ever since I deep cleaned and thorough cleaned it. I also want to tackle the oven because that oven, I don't even want to speak about it because I'm the only one who knows what is going on in that oven. So that is another area that I want to tackle, and I really do hope that you get to enjoy this video because it is our first ever video for the year 2023. And by the way, if you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Phoebe Monica, and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization, and home decor. I hope you get to enjoy the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, that is, if you're watching me and you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Please hit that subscribe button, and do not forget the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. And by the way, guys, actually I'm thinking if I can be posting twice a week. I still don't know how I'm going to do that, but let me know in the comment section if you'd wish to, if you'd wish us to have like 2 videos in a week. I know it's kind of going to be hectic, but although I haven't decided on it yet, just get back to me and tell me if it's okay, as in if you'd wish to have 2 videos per week. But still not settled on it, so I'm not going to talk about it. I just wanted to ask you if you think it's a good idea if you'd wish to have 2 videos in a week. Other than that, guys, I think I'm now going to get into the video, and I really hope you enjoy it. So guys, what I want to start with, I want to start with doing the dishes. They're not that many, they're just really few. So I want to remove them here first because I'll be using the sink a lot. So that is what I want to do really fast, and I don't think I'm going to talk through the video. I'm just going to let you watch what I do, and yeah. 'Cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie.